Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G200 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to simply tap on this settings. If you cannot find the settings here, just enter 3 dots icon and you will be able to find them on this panel. So after entering the settings, we have to tap on languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got English and Russian, so let's tap on add keyboard in order to open full list of all available keyboards and layouts from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from, and all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it, and I will pick graphical language in order to show you the actual difference. So let's tap on Syrian. Sometimes you will also be able to pick the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to set, tap on done, and as you can see it has been immediately applied. So we can go back, and right now if you will have 2 different or 3 different languages added, first of all the spacebar will not be empty. You can see the language you've got currently set, and here we've got the globe icon which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English. After tapping on the globe icon I will switch to the Russian, which was set before also, and after tapping on it again I can switch to the Assyrian one. So let me go back to English, and this is actually how to add the language to keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it. So simply go back to the settings, and from this step we have to tap on this edit icon, pencil icon, and right now we can mark the languages we would like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. We've got only English left, and after getting back you can see that the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the language key, the globe icon. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your MOTOROLA Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.